Today I am installing the hollow can light. So what I did, I used the template that came with the hollow can light. This is the type of light that I will be installed. I'm still installing it, and then this is the template that came with the lights. So I put the template up against the wall and used the stud finder. Measure. I put 4 along that line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I measure it like 4 feet apart, total of 12 feet along that line. And I measure, make sure I use the stud finder and find the way, so make sure the stud is not in the way before you make the hole and cut it. Then I cut it. So I'm gonna add a few more right here. Then I didn't have to crawl up in the attic to feed the wire through. All I did is I put the wire right here, and then I feed through there, and I go to the other side, put my arm through there and pull the wire out, and then the wire came out this way to the side right here. Then I'm going to use the existing switch right here for the new lights. Then I use the switch on this side right here, all the way up here, for the I'm gonna add the light to the island light. So the island light will be right there, down to the island also. So I use the saw and saw it by hand. You can use the machine, the rotary saw, the blade, but I use this kind. So it's the piece I cut out. The insulation right here. Later I'll fit the wire here from the other side to the side and pull it out. Okay, there will be 8 lights total. I cut out 8 holes. Then there will be 2 island lights that are coming down here. Then the island light will be hooked to the dimmer switch. Here is mark for the island lights. And I'm using old work box, meaning it has the tabs. When I screw it, the tabs will open and hold to the sheetrock. Okay. For the can light, for the island light, you can use something like this that can extend, and it goes between the 2x4, 2x6. But if the light is not heavy, you can use something like this if it's not heavy. So basically it has the bracket, this bracket right here. When it goes in, it goes like that, and then you screw it, and this will hold it to the against the sheetrock. Okay, now I do. Okay, wires are stripped, and I put in this box. There's some copy. It's a big mess. But it will look good after. And making the connection. Black push into black slot, ground and white. Hey guys, the lights are done. So these are 2 island lights I just added, and the 8 lights up in the ceiling. And so the island light, it can be dimmable. So this is brighter, and then this dimmer. It can be dimmable because I use the fit switch, which is right here, the switch for the dim. So this is, and I move this down a little bit. This is the light for the dining table. So it was up there by the echo dot. Then I put the echo dot in the original place of the light. Then I move the light to over here, so that way it's a little center of the table there. All right, and next video I will do the echo dot installation. So that's the echo dot. Alexa, see, it's flashing green, spinning.
A pulsing green light means that a call is coming in on your device. If the green light is spinning, then your device is on an active call.
Okay, that's the light.
You're on an active dropping on your device.
Okay, here and up here. There. And right over here, I'm gonna put the echo show right here. And I did the mount, in-wall mount in place, and I already run the wire. I'm just waiting for the unit to arrive. So once the unit arrives, I'll hook it up, then it's done. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a good night.